Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today what we are doing is coconut fudge. I love coconut, so as you can see in my channel I do coconut biscuits and coconut rice. I love coconut and this is very easy recipe. Okay, so normally in Ghana we use condensed milk. Okay, condensed milk for condensed milk toffee, but today I realized I have condensed milk. I don't want to do condensed milk toffee. I have coconut milk, and I said, okay, let me just combine these two together and add a bit of sugar, and that will give me a very nice coconut fudge. So this is what I'm doing today. So not to talk so much, I have some coconut milk on the fire now. It has to be medium heat. Okay. So you have to keep on just stirring it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some sugar to it. Okay, now the sugar I'm adding is coconut sugar. This is what I'm adding to it. It's organic coconut sugar. I got it from the shops. Okay, and it's really nice. It's better than the normal sugar because the sugar, all right, is battery and it's caramel flavor, so it's really add a lot of flavor to this fudge, and it's a good sugar to eat, so just don't worry about that. It's quite a small amount that I'm using. I'm not using a lot, so I pour that in and just stir it. So yeah, if you have coconut milk and you have condensed milk, and just do this easy recipe and enjoy it. You love it. You have to try and be adventurous sometimes. Sometimes you also have to indulge yourself a little bit. Okay, so guys, it's warming up nicely. I want to add the condensed milk. And then keep on stirring. Guys, as you can see here, it's simmering nicely. Okay, but you have to be stirring it. Guys, the aroma here is unbelievable. It smells so good. So what I'm adding here, I'm adding some vanilla. Okay, vanilla extract. So I'm adding just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Smells really good. You can add cinnamon if you prefer, but I love to use vanilla extract for this. So guys, we are getting there. I just want to add a bit of butter. Okay, just a small bit of butter to make it shiny and add some richness to it. Guys, now you can see that it's thicker. Okay, and if you have like a thermometer where you can measure the temperature, that would be great. But if you don't have it, what you can do is you can just put a little bit in cold water. If it crystallizes, that it means that it is done. Mine is just nearly there. Smells really amazing. So guys, as you can see here, it's nicely done. Okay, I've just tested it and it's done. So I'm going to pour that into my mold. Just look at it. So guys, this is our mold. Okay, I'll put some baking sheet in there. Okay, and I'm going to pour that in. It's amazing. So guys, this is our fudge. It's quite hot. So what I'm going to do, I'll just let it cool down a bit, and then I'll put that into the fridge just to chill for about, let's say, an hour or two, and then we can enjoy it from there. Right guys, so we've taken our fudge out of the fridge. So guys, this is our fudge. Okay, it's a very easy recipe, as you can see. So you have to try this recipe. All right, so if you like this recipe, please do give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.